Go back around.
Turn around. Hail too big.
Whoa!
Jeff, you can't see the road.
I'm going.
You can't see the road.
I'm gonna get out of the hook. Okay?
Yeah. Look what just fell out of the sky. Little piece of hail.
David.
We got hail, guys.
I'm just going to try to bring up NOAA weather radio, which I think at this point is a very wise choice.
Oh, that was
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Baseball. Giant hail.
Large hail. Damaging. Oh, God. Damaging large hail. Baseball size hail.
Yeah, I
Just
believe
up
it.
the road.
Depending on the speed and motion of the cell. You guys copy that?
Casey got him?
Yeah.
There we go.
Jeez. That's very large.
Holy.
Okay, maybe we're getting ready to turn around here. Yeah, get ready. We're about to turn around here. We're going to attempt to use our hail drill here.
That is wild.
That's very large hail.
Hey, Scott, you guys still stationary?
QSL, we've got close to baseball size hail beginning to fall.
Upside down wedding cake. God, it's unbelievable. It's just too big to even get on film. So I guess we're gonna go north a little bit on this Bob's Road.
Eric, we've got close to baseball size hail.
Tell them not to go that
Where's
way.
your window?
Not yet, but I'm surprised we haven't yet.
That's amazing.
Careful, careful, careful. We've come into the hail core.
In the hail swamp. Impressive hail roar. Holy cow, what do you think that size?
I don't know.
2 inch?
Oh my
Holy
God.
cow.
Shit, bigger than I thought.
This looks like it's in the center of the road right now.
Baseball almost.
Baseball hail.
Whoa! Baseballs.
Pull over, starting falling.
Damn, did you get that? Did you get that?
Yeah.
Hail. Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, holy cow.
God. Oh, shattering the window. God, I gotta turn around.
Oh, man.
Where's the radio?
All right, here.
Okay, we've lost a large portion of the front window, close to 3-inch hail. God. Getting bigger again. Maybe that's free.
Wow. Look at the chunks of hail on the ground here.
Big hail streak here. Slow down.
There's hail fog.
Large hail and damage when possible this evening. Roads to 3 or less movement way entire and start the storm.
Oh shit. Ugh. That's gonna hit the van.
Cool, look at that. Look at these things.
God. That's insane. Very, very large hail on the ground here. I think I got some shots of the tornado from before too. Do some breaks in those trees. That's a weird shaped piece there.